We got a little 4th of July 22 long rifle challenge. We're gonna try to knock this little empty 22 shell off from, I think we're about 25 yards. First up, we got Eli. It's a little high. I saw the grass move behind it.
Dad, will you be the firework that my 4th of July is here?
Yes, I would love to.
Thank you.
Eli did not hit the empty shell, the empty casing. So now we have James's turn.
I'm definitely gonna hit it.
All right, fire when ready.
Did you? Is that too high?
I didn't see it. You got it.
Oh.
You got it.
Let's go.
Well, we didn't even make it to my turn. James took it off on his, which one was that, James? Second or third? Second. James took it out on his second shot. Happy 4th of July, everybody.